seagull up on the roof. Yeah, I hear it.
Just walking around. As soon as we start moving, it'll freak out. Yep, there it goes.
There he goes. There's more.
Yeah.
Oh, it is a big roof. But boy, this is a hub of activity here. I would say there's at least 100 gulls. And my guess is they're definitely nesting over in this area.
Yeah.
And yet, look at all the
There's
trash.
nests right there.
Well, I'm
Few
thinking,
up in the trees, actually.
don't the gulls actually have nests on the ground?
Yeah, but there's some kind of bird that has nests up there.
Yeah, well, there's magpies. But they were dive bombing us
Okay,
while we were walking around.